Welcome back to Intrendias. I have built a data science model that attempts to predict which strike prices of stock options will be in the money by the end of the week. The methodology is to get historic stock price action data, then calculate features like the price action probability given a known condition. You can check out my conditional probability coding video to learn how to use probability for trading, and then train and test the model to see if it can predict the price action for this week. For example, the model predicts that at the end of the week, the 212.5 and 215 strike prices will be in the money for Apple stock. The predict column of 1 means in the money, while 0 means out of the money. We can see that the conditional probability of stock goes down the higher the strike price is, so the likelihood of Apple going to 222.5 is lower compared to 212.5. The potential benefits of this data science model are prescriptive recommendations of which covered calls to sell. An investor would sell covered calls that the model believes will not be in the money by the end of the week to pocket premium and keep their shares. If an investor wants to be aggressive, they could buy the calls predicted to be in the money. I have done this calculation for other stocks, so let's check those out next. Here we have Amazon weekly predictions with a model accuracy of 77%. The option strike prices of 212.5 and 215 are also predicted to be in the money by the end of the week. We could see that 217.5 and onwards are 0, which means out of the money. Next, we have Celsius. Here we see that only the option strike price of 40 is predicted to be in the money, while 42.5 and above are out of the money. Next, we have Chipotle CMG ticker with a 91% model accuracy. We have 52.5 and 55 strike price options as in the money, and 57.5 and above as out of the money. Delta weekly predictions at a model accuracy of 87%. We see the option strike prices of 52.5 and 55 as in the money. Anything else is out of the money. Google weekly predictions with a model accuracy of 81%. We can see that the option strike prices of 160 to 165 are considered to be in the money by the end of the week. The model predicts that 167.5 and above will be out of the money. NVIDIA weekly predictions with a model accuracy of 91%. There's 122.5 option strike price to $130 strike prices considered to be in the money, and 132.5 and onwards are predicted to be out of the money. Oxy weekly predictions with model accuracy of 82% considers 45 and 47.5 option strike prices predicted as in the money by the end of the week. 50 and above are considered out of the money. Of course, this model is not perfect. This model could make mistakes, and Intrendias is not financial advice, of course, but I hope you find this video helpful. If you'd like for this to become a weekly series where we check out what the model says and maybe do a back test and see whether or not the week performed well, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching Intrendias and supporting the channel. Click subscribe if you like content like this, and I will see you all in the next one.